This is kind of an interior space. I could do something like that. That's from December 15th, I'm guessing 2006, something like that. Hello. Hello, Moscow. What's up? Is my camera gonna die? No, the camera's not gonna die yet. It's good. I basically have like a 2-hour time limit before things start dying. So, alright, I'm gonna do some sort of interior space. Looking at this, I have no idea where I drew this thing, but it looks like some sort of walkway thing, some columns, a wall right here. This might be some sort of column as well. Okay, so maybe I can take some of this, maybe I'll get rid of that column. We'll do just a quick interior sketch. Alright. Probably something like that. Just to frame out the sketch, because whenever you're doing a little bit more extreme perspective, sometimes I like to cut things off so as not to be a distraction. So I'm gonna frame this like so, and then let's do our columns here. So this space looks like it actually goes over quite a bit. And we had this column right about here. For some reason. Looks like maybe some sort of wayfinding thing. So let's go ahead and sketch that sign in. And maybe we've got some stuff on the walls back here. I also have a window in this scene for some reason. Don't know why. This is an interesting perspective because, yeah, maybe let's do the window and then we'll have, it's a little bit off. Just gonna add some stuff here, but maybe there is a window and now I can see. It's like a 1.5 point perspective, I guess you can say. It's kind of wonky here on this ceiling element now, but I think I can turn that into something. Some sort of element. Okay, just putting the scene together. But yeah, maybe this is some sort of window. Definitely has an airport vibe, so I wonder if at the time I was at some airport or something. You know. I don't know, and I never will know. And we can continue this through. Maybe there is some other wall here. I don't know. Just making stuff up at this point, but in terms of perspective, the reason I say it's interesting is at a certain point, right? So these lines are shooting like so and like so, and then we've got this line. So it's a certain point there is a kind of vertical spot in the scene, and that's the center. And if we wanted to do lighting or whatever, throw some perspective lines on the ceiling here. So sometimes I'll do storyboarding. That's another thing I showed in the Patreon pre-show. Looked at a project where I kind of did these experience maps as a part of the project. Super fun, always, but it just helps define what you're going to be doing if you're doing really any sort of experience that involves a physical or digital product. Yeah, it definitely has an airport vibe, but a really great way just to map things out. And then the people in the scenes like this, I try to just keep small if possible, or if they're up close, like maybe there's, you know, someone here, just keep it somewhat abstract, because they're not meant to be the focus of the scene, but rather just indicate scale where necessary. Right? So I'm not sketching fingernails and freckles and eyelids and folds and clothes and all of that stuff. This is really just about, you know, if it's a space, capturing the space, maybe showing some main elements that you might want to show. You know, maybe there's a bench over here for some reason. Again, I don't know why. Just illustrating on this one. Maybe some more wayfinding. You know, this is a transparent thing, so move a seat to the other side, right there. Maybe some other people through there. All right, something like that. And then to enhance the scene, a little gray marker goes a long way, I think. Can we have a sketchbook tour for a video? You could, if you're a Patreon, Lynette. Just kidding. I did I did a sketchbook tour for the Patreons today. Went through a bunch of stuff, and then that's kind of how I decided what I was going to cover. So again, a great way to get ahead of this curve, the pack, if you will, become a Patreon. But yeah, I can do a show or video on sketchbooks. I know some people struggle with like, oh, what do I sketch in my sketchbook? You know, things like that, because it's easy to run out of ideas. I get it. You don't want to sketch the same thing all the time. Sometimes I'll just be like living life, and then I think, oh, wouldn't it be fun if I drew X? And it could literally be anything. It could be a lawnmower. It could be a roller skate. Anything like that, really. All right, and then just finish this out with a frame. Drew right through that dude. It's all right. There we go. All fixed. So yeah, these work really well as boards for hello and peace. These work really well for boards for storytelling if I need, but there's the original sketch, kind of loose, undefined, and here's you know, a loose sketch but more defined and expressive. Updated for 2020. This was done in like 2006, 2005, I don't know.